Hi dancers, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated. I hope you guys are safe and enjoying your time with your family and your loved ones, and especially with yourself. I think it's a lovely time for all of us to understand what we really love doing, and I think I have realized that I love to train. So today I have taken a ballet class at Nritya Shakti, and I'm really excited. I know that I've been going to the studio and training, but this would be my first virtual class where I'll be just staring into a screen and learning. So I want to share that experience with all of you. So come, let's start. So guys, I'm going to share very honestly and truthfully with you जो हमारी स्टूडियो का एक्सपीरियंस होता है और ऑनलाइन एक्सपीरियंस होता है. ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस एंड ऑल माय लाइफ आई हैव गॉन टू अ स्टूडियो फॉर ट्रेनिंग. तो लाइव क्लास करना, वर्चुअल क्लास करना, डेफिनेटली इट्स अ न्यू एक्सपीरियंस, बट लेट मी टेल यू आई एंजॉयड इट मोर देन गोइंग टू द स्टूडियो.
Good morning, Khushbu, Tanushree. I recognize Hidyanshi, Nidesha. Oh, hi, Shakti.
Hi.
I was at home and I was super comfortable. तो सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि मेरा बहुत सारा टाइम बचा, और जब मैं क्लास कर रही थी तो मुझे ये कॉन्स्टेंटली लग रहा था कि अगर मैं कुछ भी कर रही हूँ टीचर को कैसे पता चलेगा, बिकॉज टीचर भी इतना दूर खड़ी है कैमरे से. बट teacher was constantly coming close to the camera. She had an assistant, Priya had an assistant, and she was saying कि आप इनको देखें, and she kept on correcting. And जो detail हमें क्लास में बताए जा रहे थे about placing your shoulders, या फिर जब मैंने ग्लीसेस किए तो उसमें मेरे लेग की क्या प्रॉब्लम्स थी, जो कि मैंने I've done so many classes.
Shakti, can you do your glisse, please? Yeah. Good. And glisse forward. Go forward and in. Good. So now, guys, this is really good because I know Anamika has taught you guys to hold, right? She said hold the muscle.
And I think Pia is an amazing teacher.
It's been really wonderful actually teaching online. In the beginning, it was a bit of an adjustment, I think, for all of us who are in education. But now it is, I feel, more effective in some ways. One, because we have a much wider reach, and that really aligns with what I want to do with ballet education in India. Because we've had students from all over India, sometimes international students as well, attend the classes, and I think that's been really exhilarating because it makes ballet education more accessible to people who may not have had an opportunity to learn ballet before. So I really enjoy working with Nritya Shakti because I feel like they attract students from all over, and that's been really enriching. And additionally, I feel like online classes are really great because you get to almost zoom in on a person and give them one-on-one feedback. So I think that's also really interesting now to work online and be able to work in a very personal capacity. I think online teaching though has also been an opportunity for all of us as teachers to develop, because it forces us to prepare the classes in a very meticulous manner. We have to look at the students through the screen and know exactly what you want to get out of the class, and I think that's going to make us better teachers when we get back in the studio anyway. So I look forward to meeting more of you. I hope lots of people from all over make use of this opportunity and join in for our classes.
It's the best time to learn something new, और मैं सबको बोलूँगी कि आपको ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. एंड नृत्य शक्ति इज़ ऑलवेज माई फेवरेट बिकॉज उनके जो ट्रेनर्स हैं, जो फैकल्टीज़ हैं, वो वेल ट्रेंड है. जैसे मैं सीख रही हूँ मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. इवन ऑनलाइन में आपको लगता है, हम सोचते हैं कि यार कैसे समझ में आएगा, हम कैसे देख पाएंगे, लाइक हमें समझ में नहीं आएगा, लेकिन इट्स वेरी इजी. एंड आप 1-to-1 बात कर सकते हो उनसे, क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो. दे विल टेल यू अगेन एंड अगेन कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. आप उन्हें देख सकते हो, सीख सकते हो. एनीथिंग, कोई भी आपको जिस चीज़ में आपको मज़ा आ रहा है वो सीख सकते हो आप.
I felt that there was so much more that I got to know about our body. It also improved my posture.
Getting all those details, little details about my body, and I can't skip anything. I have to be sure about everything. And Pia ma'am and Anamika ma'am, both of them just teaches so beautifully, and yeah, it's quite fun.
This improved my posture, my I mean, everything. It's just wonderful to be in that class.
The discipline, the balance, and everything, it helps a lot in other dance styles as well.
It's very easy to communicate because they always say that if you ever have question, you can stop us right there. You can unmute yourself and ask questions, and I have done it few times. I'm never hesitant to ask anything. So
Sometimes when I just forget to ask in middle of the class, I just WhatsApp them, and they're so kind enough to tell everything in detail, and that's really great to get feedback from your mentors.
They do reply. They do tell us about how to improve and all.
I never want this to stop because I think I can still get training from Canada and I don't have to come back to India. Don't have to stop working, and I think I never want this to stop.
Abhi, now that people have so much time, attention given to each and every student is so much, and you really absorb a lot because you are this close to watching every student. जब भी क्लास में होते हैं तो हम अपनी अपनी दुनिया में होते हैं, पर वर्चुअल में तुम्हारा ध्यान ही there is no distraction. तो मुझे ये चीज़ बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. I feel so happy and proud that we as a community are coming together and we are making a big change in understanding and coping with new ways of learning. All we know is that we want to dance and nothing is going to stop us. So we have started Nritya Shakti Live and all our teachers are available to teach, and we have amazing styles like choreography, jazz funk, ballet, contemporary, house, Bollywood, locking, Kathak, Latin fusion, yoga, whacking and many more. There are so many styles and I think all are on my list and I'll be learning each and every style at this time क्योंकि हम जब अपने काम में बिजी होते हैं हमें लगता है हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. अभी टाइम ही टाइम है and I'm extremely happy Nritya Shakti is offering so many styles. I realized that I got to connect with so many students who always wrote to me that we want to learn from you but we can't travel to Bombay, our parents won't give us permission and we have jobs. But at this moment, to connect with hundreds of people from all over the world is a beautiful feeling, and I've realized that I want to continue with Nritya Shakti Live even after COVID ends. I hope it does, but we will continue and we will continue our virtual classroom, and I hope you stay connected with us and we'll keep on offering you best of education. We also have plans to start online programs which will be professional training for dancers. So really looking forward to this journey of Nritya Shakti Live with all of you.